guys, Sojeong here. Today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic function using quadratic formula.
Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Let's say we have a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And you can use this legendary quadratic formula to solve for the x value here. X equals negative b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This formula works for any quadratic equations. You don't have to factorize, you don't have to use null factor law. So if you don't like factorizing, you can always use this formula to solve for the x value. Let's have a go with example 1. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. A is the value next to x squared, which is 1. And b is the number next to x, which is 2. C is the number by itself, negative 3. So let's substitute these values into our formula. So x is negative 2 plus minus root 2 squared minus 4 times by 1 times by negative 3 over 2 times by 1. So let's simplify inside the third. We have x equals negative 2 plus minus 2 squared is 4. And if you multiply negative 4 by 1 by negative 3, they'll become positive 12. Over and 2 times by 1 is 2. So it becomes negative 2 plus minus root 4 plus 12 is 16 over 2. And as you can see, the root 16 you can simplify to 4. So it becomes negative 2 plus minus 4 over 2. So what does plus minus mean? It means it can be both positive or negative. So you can separate your answers into negative 2 plus 4 over 2 or negative 2 minus 4 over 2. Your numerator, you can simplify. So negative 2 plus 4 is 2, so it'll be 2 on 2, or negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6 on 2. So it'll be 1 or negative 3. So your answer will be x is 1 or negative 3. Let's try our second example. We have 2x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So a is 2, b is negative 3, c is 2. So substitute all our values into our quadratic formula. It'll be x is negative 3 plus minus root negative 3 squared minus 4 times by 2 times by 2 over 2 times by 2. So negative 3 becomes positive 3 plus minus root negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 4 times by 2 times by 2 is 16. Negative 4 times by 2 times by 2 is negative 16. Over 2 times by 2 is 4. If you work out 9 minus 16, it becomes negative 7. In math, it is impossible to have negative number inside. In math, if you have negative number inside the root, it's called non-real value. So it's invalid, which means this equation has no solution. Let's move on to example 3. We have x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. So a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is negative 5. C is the constant number, which is negative 1. Substitute these into our formula. It'll be x equals negative 5 plus minus root negative 5 squared minus 4 times by 1 times by negative 1 over 2 times by 1. So negative 5 becomes 5 plus minus root negative 5 squared is 25. Negative 4 times by 1 times by negative 1 is positive 4 over 2 times by 1 is 2. If you work out inside the square root, it'll be 5 plus minus root 29 over 2. You always have to check if you can simplify this third or not, but this case you can't. So you can leave your answer like this. Or you can separate this into two answers, 5 plus root 29 on 2 or 5 minus root 29 on 2. I'll leave you guys with these two questions that you guys can try yourself. 1. 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 0. 2, x squared minus 3x minus 3 is 0. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys learn a lot about quadratic formula. And I'll see you guys in next video. Bye bye!
Thank you so much for watching our quadratic videos today. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel for more math tips and materials. Study smarter, not harder with Zach.